We got just some horrible news announced. The British Boxing Board of Control has just suspended boxing. So the David Evianson versus Josh Kelly fight, scheduled for I believe January 30, has just been canceled. They canceled. They suspended boxing due to the virus that we can't say. Excuse me, the flu that we can't talk about. Oh wow, this sucks, man. I hope it doesn't interfere with other negotiations. They don't suspend it indefinitely. I don't really know much about it to go into more detail because Michael Benson just tweeted it out. But all I know is the next fight is being canceled. There wasn't many boxing fights anyways going on in January, and to take one of the few fights going on, which really sucks. That really sucks. I guess I'm gonna have to tune in to Conor McGregor fight. He's finally gone January 23. That's a UFC fight. I know I'm not really a fan of UFC, but I guess we gotta get any combat sports in. Let me know what you guys think. What's your take on this? You guys think this was the right move? You guys think this was overblown? I really think this is an overblown move because these fighters are being tested, the refs are being tested, the judges are being tested, and there's no fans here. At least in the U.S., we got the NBA going on, we got the NFL going on, we got the MLB going on. We even got Texas letting fans come to the fight. I don't know. Give me your guys' take on this. Like and subscribe, please. All right, thank you.